How do I adjust the temperature and time settings when baking a cake in a toaster oven?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to adjust the temperature and time settings when baking a cake in a toaster oven. A toaster oven might be smaller than a regular one, but with the right knowledge, it can produce just as delicious results. So let's get started.
Why is adjusting temperature and time important?
Temperature and time are crucial factors in baking a perfect cake. The temperature controls how quickly your cake cooks, while the time determines how long it is exposed to that heat. A balance between the two will give you a moist and fluffy cake.
How to adjust temperature in a toaster oven?
Most toaster ovens have a temperature dial that you can use to adjust the temperature. Remember that toaster ovens heat up faster and can get hotter than regular ovens due to their small size. For cakes, it's usually best to reduce the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit from what the recipe originally calls for in a conventional oven. For example, if your recipe says 350 degrees, set your toaster oven to 325 degrees instead.
How to adjust time in a toaster oven?
Time adjustment is pretty straightforward. Just like the temperature dial, your toaster oven will also have a timer dial. However, because the toaster oven heats up faster, the cooking time will be slightly less than in a conventional oven. Start by reducing the time by about 20%. If your cake recipe says 30 minutes, start checking at around 24 minutes.
Tips for monitoring your cake.
Since toaster ovens can vary quite a bit, keep an eye on your cake. Look for signs of doneness like a golden brown top, the cake pulling away from the sides, or a clean toothpick when inserted into the center. And remember to rotate your cake halfway through the baking process. This ensures even baking, as toaster ovens can have hot spots. Baking a cake in a toaster oven might require a bit more attention, but with these guidelines, you're well on your way to create your perfect cake. Remember, reduce your temperature by 25 degrees, shorten your time by about 20%, and keep an eye on your cake to ensure it's cooking evenly. Happy baking, everyone!